EasyMold Silicone Rubber is a 2-component silicone rubber that's easy to use, odor-free, non-toxic, and FDA compliant. It's great for a wide range of mold applications, including resin, wax, foods, concrete, low-melt metals, and many other materials. Simply combine equal parts of side A and side B by volume. Mix thoroughly until both sides are well combined in one uniform color without swirls or inconsistencies. Pour the silicone rubber into your mold and let it set overnight before demolding and casting your project. Create amazing, show-stopping projects with ETI's EasyMold Silicone Rubber.